Welcome people, let's continue. Go to your animation player and we will talk a little bit about frames. So for adding frame you need to click on sprite and on this key. After that you will have some animation frames like this. You can select animation frame, you can move it over and you can put it as you like. If you want to duplicate any of the frames, right click to the frame and just click duplicate keys. And then you can put it on a place you like. So you need 3 of these frames. 2 are same like this and 2 are different, and put them with some kind of delay, and we will put animation duration to, no, we will leave it to 1, and this animation looping, we will talk about this later. So we will try to put it in a 1 second. So now we have 4 keyframes in a 1 second. Click on if you click on animation looping, animation will repeat itself. So we want to test this and click. So animation will repeat itself and we have something like walk of our character. Without loop we have only 1 iteration. And now let's go to coding. We can do some simple coding when our player, for example, have 1 movement here. We will use animation player reference. Then we need to find some properties, so click, hold Control on keyboard and click once. Left mouse button, as I explained before. String current animation, set current animation value. This parameter we need. Set current animation. Current animation, our current animation need to be written under the quotation mark. So character animation move. You need to write properly your animation name here. If you change animation name, use the right one, whatever the name is. So animation player, set current animation. 4 button 7 pressed. Let's test this. When we click on button here, we have, as you see here, we have iteration of movement, and we only need to copy paste this on every position we want to see something like this. So now we have some animation. So we have changing of position, some animation, then stop, changing of position, some animation, something like this. So our character change position and move in some direction. We can also change something about our sprite. For example, sprite scale 1 by 1 is let me see, 2.4. This looks like 2.4. 2.4 is similar than before. 1.8 maybe. 1.8. 1.8 doesn't look bad. So we need to see animation, and we need not to have so big of. This looks good. This really looks good. So our character move in some direction. We have some glitch here. We can change it. But I think this is it for this short lecture. We can put some OR command here. Let me put it right now. So something like this. If we come from a position 5 to this position, but we can only come from position 5. This is okay. This is okay. You can add this if you code all of these buttons as I say. You can do it. So for now we will leave it like this. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.